Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you about some tips and tricks for sitting in the driver's seat. In this video, I'll be going over 6 simple tips and tricks that you can use the next time that you are sitting in the driver's seat of a vehicle. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first tip and trick is about positioning. Positioning is super important whenever you are about to drive a car. Most people just, put their seat into a quick position and then they start driving. And that's not the best way to do it. That will not put you in an ideal, safe driving situation. Instead, you should take a few minutes to set up the positioning of yourself in that seat properly. And if you're the only one that's driving the car, then that seat's never going to move. If someone is, if you're alternating with someone else, if you drive the car and then your spouse drives the car, then your brother, then your kids, whatever the case is, you're gonna have to constantly readjust it, and that is just time that you have to take for the positioning. You want to make sure that your seat has a good incline, is a good distance away from the pedals, so a good, further forward or further back, whatever you need. You want to make sure that you can grab the wheel properly. You want to make sure that it's tall enough. You want to make sure that any bolstering that you have or any cushioning that you have is set to the proper placement and so forth. You just want to make sure that your positioning is as perfect as can be. Tip and trick number 2 is all about your posture. I see a lot of people driving to the side this way, to the side that way, on an angle this way, that way. I don't know how that can be comfortable after a long period of time. Your posture will determine your alignment when you're driving. If you are, slightly to the right, then you're more likely to veer to the right as you're driving. If you're slightly to the left, you're more likely to veer to the left as you're driving. So make sure that your posture is correct. You don't want to be perfectly straightforward because that's actually not good posture for driving. That might be great for your back, but that's not great for driving. You need to have a slight incline backwards, or I should say a slight decline. Now, you don't want to be too far back, but you also don't want to be perfectly straight up. You want somewhere in between that's comfortable for you. That's going to give you the ideal position for when your arms are holding the wheel. It's important to have proper posture because it will help your driving and it will prevent pain if you're driving for a long period of time. I mean, you should be able to drive for hours without experiencing any real pain or any discomfort for the most part, and proper posture will make sure that that happens. All right, or doesn't happen with regards to the pain and discomfort. Tip and trick number 3 is your viewpoint. Now, although when you're driving, your car is centered in the lane, or it should be centered in the lane, you are to the left of the center of your car. So that means when you're looking straight ahead, your viewpoint, you should be looking just ever so slightly to the left of the center of that lane. Now, if you're sitting on the right side of the car, if that's the type of car that you're driving, or where you live, if that's where you sit in the cars, then it's going to be to the right. The same thing, but to the right. Your viewpoint should be precisely just slightly to the side of the center, and that's because that's where you're sitting. If you try and get your viewpoint directly in the center of the lane, your car will be offset to one side or the other, depending on which side you're driving on. Your viewpoint should also be great in the sense of being able to see your mirrors properly, check your blind spots properly, and see anything else in the car that you need to see. For instance, if I look at this mirror, I can actually see through my rear windshield, but I can also see the car seat mirror behind me, behind the passenger seat of the car, that allows me to see the car seat inside of the car seat, and so forth. So you should be able to see everything properly. That's the key to the viewpoint. Tip and trick number 4 for sitting in the driver's seat is you need to have access to all of the controls, and you need to know where they are. When I'm driving, I know what all of these hand controls are around the steering wheel. I know that I can use my windshield wipers and my signals over here. I know that I can adjust the windows or the locks or the mirrors. I know that I can adjust the radio, the climate controls, the parking brake, anything like that. You should take some moments to figure out that, number 1, you can reach everything around you that you need to reach, but number 2, that you know what everything does and how to use everything. It's very, very important when you're sitting in the driver's seat of the car. Tip and trick number 5 is grip. Now, you'll be gripping the steering wheel while you drive. Hopefully you're gripping the steering wheel while you drive. And your grip shouldn't be extremely tight, but it also shouldn't be like super loose like this, right? Oops, I just turned on the windshield wipers. It shouldn't be super loose. You should have a fairly tight grip on the steering wheel, but also at the same time, you need to have flexibility to steer properly. So I always like to call it like sort of like a firm and flexible approach. You have a firm grip on the wheel, but your movements can still be flexible. It's a key factor. Grip that wheel firmly so that you're not losing grip of it, but make sure that you're able to turn the wheel. Just do some movements, turn the wheel easily, even while gripping it with a firm grip. Last but not least, and I think that this is probably the most important tip and trick for this video, it's number 6, and that is the thought that you should be having, the mentality that you should be having, the thinking that you should be doing. When you sit in the driver's seat, you are in control of something that weighs a lot, okay? Something that weighs thousands of pounds, and you're driving it at a high rate of speed. Even 20 kilometers an hour is actually fast when you think about the fact that you're moving this vehicle that weighs several thousand pounds. So with that being said, you should think about responsibility. You should think about control. You should think about safety. And if you think about those 3 things while you're driving, responsibility, control, and safety, you'll have a higher likelihood of being a safer driver, which will put you at a lower likelihood of actually getting into an accident or a near accident. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over some tips and tricks for sitting in the driver's seat. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. What are some other tips and tricks for sitting in the driver's seat? Let me know down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.